Welcome to the Verandah Resort. We are staying in a Waterfront King Suite. I want to show you around and give you a room tour. Follow me. We're going to start right with the washroom since we're here. Now we're doing the room tour at the very end, so please don't judge us. We try to clean up as much as we can, and we don't have any clean towels other than I want to keep one beautiful towel for y'all here to see how they do it. So we have two lovely mirrors here and two sinks, which is great if you are with somebody, which I'm sure you will be as the rooms are big, and if you like to get ready on your own, that's perfect. We also have a huge counter space for you, so you can store your stuff here. Then they have great shelving space here as well if you want to tuck your products away. Over here we have a beautiful shower. I left our loofahs because I thought it would add some character for y'all. The shower is huge. And then part of also being on this resort is they do offer robes, but we've used them and they're dirty. So you will see those robes inside your washroom. Over here we have a full-length mirror, which I love because again, you can take some pictures in it if you like, or just kind of make sure your outfit is looking right. All right, come with me. Over here we have our king bed. It's super comfy as they banged it out. And honestly, I've had no problem sleeping. It's a very comfy bed and very large, so you'll get your space. Over here we have our seating area with our coffee table and our TV if you want to watch TV. To be honest with you, we didn't turn the TV on at all, but it's there as an option for you. Also, try to avoid the messy sink, but we have a little kitchenette here for you with a coffee maker, which is great. You can make coffee, you can make tea as well, because you have your tea packets and your coffee. In the fridge, don't forget, make sure you look. It's not gonna include champagne. That's our champagne bottle. I wish it did, but it's gonna include your creamer. So you have Coffee Mate, if you like Coffee Mate, with your coffee. Please look inside your fridge, it'll be there for you. Over here we have our closet, just a standard closet, but it's pretty big. You can store your stuff in it. Again, our safe as well. Again, this is a key lock safe, so a little bit more safer for you. There is no code. We also have an ironing board with our iron with some extra pillows if you need. My favorite, absolute favorite part about this room is the view and the balcony. The balcony is huge, but the view is incredible. So again, you're on the waterfront, just so you know which room to book if you're coming. Huge patio, or a veranda if you want to call it that. And then we have our beautiful outlook here to our turquoise waters and blue waters. When it's a sunny day, you are gonna see the color variations, which I love. You're gonna see the lighter waters and you can take a nice look out. It's very peaceful, it's very calm, and it just adds that tranquility. If you liked this video and found it helpful, please like, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.